All right. Dune trip 2025 commence. We got that stuff left to get right there and we're out. All right, we are in the truck pulling down the driveway. There's my broski over there. And hopefully this is a good trip. Want it to be safe and fun and easy. That's what I'm hoping for, in that order. So see you guys over there. All right, we are in Elkton. We can go swimming. Here's the rig. Side by side. Four-wheeler, Alfred S. Tyson Park, City of Elkton. All right, we're out on the river. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So, it's kind of a swimming spot out that way. Let's see if I can fall first thing. The main channel's out there. A little windy, but not gonna bother me. I didn't realize you can get right to the outlet right here. We're going on this side or the other side of that? Yeah, look how much water's moving out there in the middle.
Well, there's some rocks.
I wonder if there's undertow along that face right there.
I don't think it's deep enough to be that gnarly, but it definitely is going 2 ways.
We're at the dunes. We're going to Hall Lake to go swimming. Motorcycles and four-wheelers everywhere. All right, we're at Hall Lake. Aaron just swam to the other side. I swam around the shore. Hall Lake. Place we used to go during my childhood to swim. All right, here comes Aaron. I'm driving the side-by-side because I hurt my legs. I overdid it with the ATV, so I'm putt-putting around in the side-by-side, but we're just out here in North Bend screwing around. Almost went over the bars. Anyways, we're having fun. It's super windy out here, but it's a blast. Oh shit.